Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Trading Line. So in this video, we're gonna see a good stocks which is having the good dividend yield and have the potential to grow double in the upcoming years. And so those are actually at the verge of the breakout. So based on some price action patterns, we will see what are the things we can do about these stocks and where to invest. And in case if you are investing, if something is going to happen uh, in our favor, then that's fine. In case if it's going to reverse from there, so what are the things we need to consider before investing in these stocks? So those things we are going to discuss. And this, so as you've seen my watch list, we have four stocks. The first one is PFC, the second one is RSC Limited, and third one is NMDC, and fourth one is Tata Steel. So these four companies are trading around 120 to 152 rupees. But if you see the potential of these stocks are very high, and moreover they are giving around 10% dividend yield every year. So even if you are investing and leave it for 10 years, what are the amounts you have invested? Maybe you'll be getting off of the amount or 75% of that amount in the 10 years itself. And these are good stocks, and it has all the potential to go up and create you the wealth. And and some of the stocks are having multi-year breakouts. So that means it has the huge potential to go further upside. So let's see. The first stock is PFC. So here you can see that these stocks are trading between these ranges. So it formed a good channel pattern, and now it is in the verge of breakout. So this is January 2023. By this month, and in case if it is going to close above this level, so it has the huge potential to go further upside. Okay, so to take an entry, if you're an aggressive trader, you can take the entry now itself. So there is no wrong with this because, however, they are going to declare the dividends for the upcoming recession, so you can able to collect those dividends. But in case if you're not an aggressive trader and you're going to wait for the month end close, then that's also fine, no problem with that. And moreover, when the candle is going to close above this level, that is 154.40. So at that time you can enter. So that's a short buying opportunity for you in case the market is going to reverse from there. So those things we will see in the video last session. So in case if our views goes wrong, and how we need to do the averaging and what are the things we can do about it, so those things we will see. So this is about PFC. So the next stock is REC Limited. So here you can see that it has formed a clear reverse head and shoulder pattern. So once breakout have this patterns happens, you can enter, and your target will be this all-time high. So that works out to be around 36% of your capital, and moreover they have good dividend record. Okay, so I didn't say that in the next month itself it will go and touch those levels. That may happen, may not, but however you will get a good dividend yield. So they are providing around a 10 to 12% dividend yield in a year consistently. So it will be good investment. In case if you're considering, you can buy these stocks. And the next one is NMDC. So this is also formed. So in case if you are seeing it in weekly candle, has formed a higher high. So it's a firm close. So for the last couple of weeks, it was trying to close above this level, but it was unable to break out. But this week it break out this level and given a good close. So there's a lot of chance that the market will go to all-time high. So this level will be your target. So a huge rejection happened from this place, and from there the market started to fail, and then now it is trying to regain to these positions. So this also good stocks and having a good dividend yield record. And the next one is Tata Steel. So this also same like NMDC, and it has good dividend record, and obviously Tata stocks are very much good for the investments. So whatever the Tata stocks you have, you can invest on that blindly. So you don't need to take any precautions about that. They are going to give you the good dividend yield, and everything will be good. And moreover, the stocks was trading around 1,200 rupees last year, and due to split, it is now trading around 120 rupees. So still, that's a good investment, and it has a good capacity to move again back to those levels. So that's all about the investment part. And I will explain you what are the things you should do in case if our views goes wrong. So I will explain you with one of these stocks, and the same thing you can do to other stocks too. So let's consider we are going to invest in PFC when the market is going to break about this 154.40 levels. So in case from there, after your investment is over, so we have the budget, and based on that, in case if the market is going to reverse back from there, what are the things you can do is, so whenever it is reaching a particular support, you can do the averaging, so that would be works out very well. So whenever the market, the PFC stocks is going to reach this level, that is 130.75, you can buy it again and again. When it's going to reach 102 and 98, these levels you can average it again, and after this you should average once this support is touched, so that is 74. So after 98 you don't need to average anywhere between these levels. So once it touches the 74 and 75, you can start it to averaging it again. So however, on the long run, these stocks are going to perform very well. And moreover, after Finifty is introduced, you can see a huge spike in all the PFC sector banks. So I hope PFC and RSC will be the good performance stocks for the upcoming years. So I consider these are the high quality stocks after the Finifty is involved, and moreover for the last 2 to 3 months you can clearly see that it has given a good breakout. So from here, if you see, it's around already up by 58%, so that's a good return. So I hope this video will be very useful to you guys. Thanks for watching. So subscribe and share and keep supporting us.